to each other.
Ah, first prize. Lily, Thomas.
Thomas, Lily.
Now, where's my cousin?
Hi.
Hello, Lily. Welcome to Sodor.
Come on, Lily.
Very home on trains.
Annie, Clarabelle, I'll send Percy back to fetch you.
What's the matter?
Travel sickness.
What's that shining at the windmill?
Pistol, Lily. I think it's my cousin.
Mr. Conductor! Mr. Conductor!
Thomas!
Thank throttles you're safe.
Come on, Lily.
Hey, Cass, what's up? Enjoying the sun?
No, Junior, I am not. As a matter of fact, I just landed here after escaping a heavy metal monster. Junior, where have you been?
Is your sparkle back, Mr. Conductor?
No, Thomas, it isn't. But I do know the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain